adorable. Hi. And they are so...
Hello. Can I help you?
Go in the grass.
Hey. Where did you come from? Oh, hell no. Who are you? Who is this dog? This happened. Wait for it. Wait for it. Snap. What do I do, you guys? Do I call the cops at this point?
Go in the house. Yeah. Go home.
What you want, bro? Nah, I'm about to... Nah, I gotta go over here and do it. No, I'm about to go do an inspection.
So we have a little problem. Our neighbor's pit bulls have knocked over our...
Now, my mama told me her neighbors had Rottweilers. Them ain't no damn Rottweilers.